sound. No second guess, no cutting corners. Built to last, built for the long run.